Good morning, sir. My name is Sanket Sharad Suryavanshi. Today I am here to give practical demonstration on Power BI, which is one of the leading business intelligence tools that will help us to analyze and visualize data in a very easy manner. So for that, first we need to import our dataset. As you can see that here there are many ways through which we can get our dataset. As we have Excel file, so we are going to click on this import data from Excel. It will take some time. After that, click on all the column table that we want. Next, click on the load. So it will load our dataset into this our playground. After that, you can see our tables or data are present at right side of this Power BI tool. Wait for a few minutes. This is taking some time. Yes, you can see that our tables are present at this right side, and this is our playground. It has mainly three tabs. First, it is a report. We are going to create a report. Second, it is a data where we can get a preview of our dataset. You can see the different tables that we have imported right now: orders, peoples, returns, and all. As you can see that in people table we have a wrong column name, so we need to fix this. Same with the returns table. These are the common errors. We need to fix this column name as a column 1, column 2. These are the wrong columns that we have got. We need to change this. As same with this person and region, we need to change this column value. So for that, we are going to take help about this Power Query editor, like a transform data. So click on transform data. So this will help us to clean our data set. So click on transform data. Go to the people table that we want to change, and here we want to change the column 1 and column 2 the person and region. So for that we have inbuilt function. Click on use first row as a header. So automatically it will take the first row as a header. Now our error is gone. Same with the returns table. Also we have column names are wrong. Click on use first row as a header. Now our error is solved. As you can see that in order tables we have lots of columns are there. So we can use DAX query language to extract some important features from our dataset. As we have order date and ship date, from these two columns we can extract delivery date column. So this will be benefit to us, so that we can get how much delivery days are required for a particular delivery. So for that, click on add column, click on add custom column, click on next, give the name as a delivery day. Then we need to give the formula for that. So what is the formula for that? So whatever ship date we have, click on ship date minus whatever order date we have, and click on OK. So automatically it will create a delivery date table, and it will take the date from ship date minus order date. So as you can see that our delivery date table, delivery date column is created, but these values are not a whole number. So we need to change the data type. So click on this data type and click on this whole number. So as you can see that we have 0 also, but this is not making any sense. How our delivery day and ship day will be same? Delivery day and order date will be same. So we need to remove all the rows that having 0. So click on this and please select this 0 and click on OK. So automatically it will filter out all these rows having 0 and remove from our dataset. Also in returns table we can add some another extra column as S for 1 and 0 for no. So it is very easy to deal with the dataset with a numeric value. So as it has a categorical value like yes and no, so we need to change this to the 0 and 1. So for that also we have another feature, like we can add the conditional column. So click on add column. So here we have a conditional column. So click on this conditional column. So on that column name, give as a return day, as a return orders, and click on if on which basis of column we want to decide that value should be. So click on return. If return table is equal to value, if return table value is yes, then we want output as a 1, else we want output as 0. So we are going to change the values of this return table. If it is yes, we are trying to make it as 1, or if it is a no, we are trying to make it as 0. So click on OK. As you can see that we got value as a 1 and 0. Check the data type, it should be a whole number, otherwise it will create a problem. Click on whole number. Yes, so our data cleaning is now good. Now we are going for data visualization purpose. Click on close, save our dataset. So as you can see that for visualization we have lots of graphs and bar chart, pie charts are given. So first we are going to use this card. So click on this card. As card is selected, after that in order tables we have a profit. So whatever cards are selected, it has a field value. So we can drag and drop this field value to this our card. So as you can see that it is displaying my profit as a 1.39 million. We can change the display unit easily by formatting this. By going on this format your visual, you can click on this and display unit. With that display unit, you can automatically set it to the 1000 or to the millions. Also we can set our decimal places, that how much decimal places we want. We want as a 1 or 2. So from this we can format our visualize. So in this way I have my profit. Similarly I am going to take another card. On that card I am going to select the next value, like we have a sales. So click on this card and it has a field value of the profit. So we are going to drag and drop sales to this. So automatically we got sales as a 12 million. It is a so we can change the display unit as a 1 and all. We can make it as a 2. So we will display sales in 2 display. Let's make it as a 1 only. After that click on again and click on another card. Copy this card. As you know that we have created one column called as a delivery day. So we can use the delivery day column. So click on that card and drag and drop this delivery date to this field. So as you can see that it has display unit as a million. So we need to change this first from million. We need to make it as auto. So as you can see that it is saying 203.6k, but it is not making any sense as a 203 the 6k delivery. We need to change this by using some different functions that we have. As it is displaying some count and all, we need to change it to the average. We want to know that how much delivery day is taking, so we need to change it to the average. So click on this average. So automatically it's giving 4.2 average delivery. We want to display the unit as a 0, so our value get a whole value. So it's making average delivery day as a 4. So from this what we are going to know that how much average delivery day is for our business. So it is showing that we have average number of delivery day as a 4. So now we can take this line chart. So in this line chart we need to pass axis our axis. So for that axis we can pass our order date, and for values we can pass our profit. So it will show accordingly value by profit. So we can pass this profit. So you can see that we have a profit by year. So year by year our profit is increasing. Next we can take this stacked column chart. Then with this we can give access as the order date, and for values we can give our profit. So from this also it is representing same, like year by year our profit is increasing. Also we have another visualization, that is slicer. So we are going to take this slicer. So this slicer will help us to filter our data according to some range. So for this slicer we are going to give the order date. So automatically it will filter our data on the basis of date. As you can see that our values are changing according to the date. You can see this graph is curving as our dates are increasing or decreasing. Also sales are decreasing, increasing. So from this filter. Also we have a map for visualization. You can click on this map. For this map it required the countries and all. So we have countries here. So we can pass this country directly to this. Or region. Also we can pass our region directly. As you can see that we got our map. This will help us to visualize our data very easily. So according to this profit and region, our map is showing our data. So click on this country or region, it will show accordingly the profit and all in that region. That's all. Thank you.